Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera. Now in camera, scroll down and click on storage. Now here clear the app data and cache memory of storage, camera storage. And after that go back and open camera settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on reset settings. And then click on reset to reset all camera settings. After that go back to settings and then open battery and device care. And then scroll down and click on software update. Now here click on software update. And after that click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.